Hey guys, ever dreamed of seeing the Northern Lights? Let me tell you why you need to visit Iceland next winter. The Northern Lights happen because of solar activity. More solar activity equals brighter, more colorful lights. The sun has an 11-year cycle, and we are in a cycle that started in 2019 and will end in 2030. But the most important thing here is that right now we are heading towards a solar peak. The best time to visit Iceland is going to be from September 2024 to April 2025. This period promises amazing Northern Lights shows. If you don't believe us just yet, look at what happened this year in May. We had massive solar storms that made the Northern Lights visible in Germany, United States, Netherlands, and as far south as Mexico and Spain. These huge solar storms are common when we are near a solar maximum, meaning more epic Northern Lights are coming. But remember, visit when it's dark. In Iceland, that means avoiding the summer months when the sun never sets. So, are you ready to book your flight and witness nature's most spectacular light show? We are ready to. Come on, don't miss out. We're waiting for you. Oh, and make sure to follow us on Instagram because we're going to be posting lots of information about solar storms, what's going to happen next season, and everything. Thank you. Bye.